Recently, I found that some colleagues use paper to wrap the art knife blade when unpacking express delivery, which is very unsafe. For this kind of rusty blade, if it is scratched, at least one course of tetanus should be given. So, I was thinking, if this blade is added with a shell, wouldn't it be unrivaled in the world? I did it right away. I found a model of the art knife shell on the website and started printing after a little processing. We use a bamboo machine with Aerita 3D's AFP cold punching plate, which can print quickly without heating the hotbed. The machine speed is still quite fast, and the bottom has been punched out. I went to observe in the middle, and the print is still very delicate, and there is no sign of warping or rollover. More than an hour, it was printed. Let's take a look at the effect of the finished product. It is still very stable. There is another reason why I use Aerita 3D's AFP cold punching plate. It is very easy to take the mold, and it does not damage the coating. Look, the parts are pulled up lightly without any other operation. We assemble the parts and the blade to see its fineness, which is very good and very smooth. Friends, if your friends are also using blades to open packages, make a safe knife for them.